Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Raven Rocket Vibrator by the EasyToys Anal Collection. So let's get started. So this is the Raven Rocket Vibrator itself. So are you ready for the next step in anal play? Then consider this wonderful anal vibrator, which has been specially designed to massage your sensitive areas. It's made of a soft and smooth silicone material, so it feels very soft and smooth on the skin and will feel really comfortable during use as well. This vibrator will offer you lots of fun sensations and a fantastic experience. It has a stimulating shape and will bring you to a thrilling climax as well. It's also slightly flexible at the top just here. And to turn on the thrilling vibration, simply press and hold down. And it's on. Batteries are not included and you require one AAA battery. To change the settings, simply tap and decide which vibration works for you. And to turn off, simply press and hold down. And it's now off. When using the Raven Rocket, we recommend for you to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And of course, make sure to clean after every use using toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Raven Rocket Vibrator by the EasyToys Anal Collection. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.